In Lercara Friddi, we find Frank Sinatra's origins visiting his grandparents' house, and whose names were Francesco Sinatra and Rosa Saglimberi. They decided to migrate over there, actually to New Jersey, USA, early 1900s. Unfortunately, the My Way Museum was closed, but it is the first museum in Europe dedicated to Frank Sinatra. This is also the birthplace to Lucky Luciano, not mentioning much about him as he was a Sicilian American mafia boss, active and buried in USA, but they say the inspiration to Godfather films was thanks to him. Otherwise, the town is small. It was founded due to sulfur findings.